Hi, this is Ase. Today I would like to share how to run option buttons using for loop. I have a case here. If let's say I click on this button and ask the user to choose one of the colors that they want, and I would like to prompt out a message box showing the color that selected. If let's say I have to set condition, then I may need more than 10 nested if or case function, since I have more than 10 option buttons here. To make the task easier, actually we can make use of the for loop. Okay, let's try. So we click on the button to assign the code. So we set for loop. Okay, for I equal to 1 to 14. Since I have 14 option buttons, then I will write the condition if user form 1 dot controls. Okay, the user form, the name of the user form is user form 1, and I use the controls function so that we can use the option with variable. So option button. When we type the option button, make sure the O and B are capital letters. Otherwise, will result error. And I. Okay, we use an ampersand to connect the variable I. Dot value. So when it's true, means that the option is selected. So we can tell the user that they already chosen this option. Okay, so when we want to show if let's say the user choose red, when we want to show the word red, then we can make use of the word caption. Okay, after we already connect the words and the option, then we give a full stop. Okay, to link all these three terms, we just put ampersand in between. Then, since we start from if, then we end with if. Okay, we just have to write one condition. Okay, we just let the for loop to run for us. Okay, let's see the output. So click. Okay, let's say I choose red. Okay, so chosen red. Okay, so if let's say I choose blue, then chosen blue. Okay, so if let's say we want to close this option, this user form using the VBA, then we just write add and load me here. Okay, click yellow. Okay, so already closed. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.